I'm Chris Bonneau from Sun, and we're here at the SEMA booth. I'm the business manager for the product, and we're going to go ahead and walk through some of the features that we have in our product today. So this is all of your collision and your mechanical repair information, all your ADAS, all your wiring diagrams, all your remove and replace procedures, everything that you need to be able to fix a vehicle properly. And so what we're going to do is do a quick walkthrough of the product. A couple new things that we have that we want to show as well. Here is one of our award-winning features, which is our One Search Plus. So it allows you, instead of having to go through service manuals to find everything that you need, all you have to do is type in whatever it is that you're looking for. So in this case, I'm going to start typing in pillar. Once you click on that, it's going to give you some options here. Once you click on it, it's going to serve up all the information that we have for the A-pillar right there. So from your materials information, your specifications, wiring if it's involved, remove and replace, all OEM information. So when you click on this, it will go through and it's going to walk you through step by step everything that you need in order to fix that particular component of the vehicle. One of the things that we've recently launched is we have an integration with one of the top management systems, shop management systems, which is Mitchell One, and that's the Manager SE program. So this allows you to run your shop on a day-to-day basis. It allows you to do your invoicing. It allows you to do your all your work orders. Allows you to purchase parts. And so when you're working in a work order, all you have to do, if you have this particular product, is open up the customer and open up the work order that you're working in. And it's already got all your customer and all your vehicle information. And when you go to start looking up repair information, you just click the repair information button here, and it's going to do a quick pass through. It's going to open up the product, and it's going to bring you right to that same vehicle that you were just working on inside a Manager creating your estimate. This is going to allow you to speed up that process. It's going to help you get all of your repair information much faster and still be able to work through your Manager SE program.